Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace an inner door frame on your double wall oven, fully open the appropriate door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a sturdy surface. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread the 4 screws securing the inner door frame to the outer door assembly. With the screws removed, lift off the old frame. Prepare the new inner door frame for installation by transferring the inner door glass and baffle from the old frame to the new one. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws securing the glass retaining bracket. Carefully remove the glass and align it in the new door frame. Position the retaining bracket and secure it with the screws. Next, unthread the screws to release the baffle from the old frame and position the baffle on the new frame. Secure it with the screws. Now position the new frame on the outer door assembly. Thread and tighten the 4 screws to secure. The short screws secure the bottom of the frame. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.